Hello everybody, this is Jeff Lewick from Kinedyne Cargo Control. Today we're going to discuss cam buckles. I have a few samples set up here for you to take a look at. So the first sample I'm showing you is a 1-inch cam buckle. The reason it's a 1-inch cam buckle is it uses 1-inch webbing and it's 1 inch wide. The cam buckle is very easy to use. The reason it's called a cam buckle is it has a tab that cams open. We're just going to depress on this, and as you can see, it's a spring-loaded cam. I'll give you a frontal demonstration of the cam buckle itself, and you can also see there's some teeth in there that actually lock down on the strap when the buckle is closed. That's a 1-inch. Then there's the 2-inch cam buckle. The 2-inch is the most common type we see in the heavy-duty trucking industry. The 2-inch application is used with 2-inch webbing, E-fittings, and more commonly you'll see it used on logistic straps than anything else. Again, the 2-inch works the same as the 1-inch. You depress the tab and it cams open. And again, here's a little demonstration from the front, and you can also see the teeth on this. So when we want to slide webbing through here, we're just going to open this up and the webbing freely slides. When we want to lock the webbing in place, we just let it slap down. So that's the 2-inch cam buckle. In addition, there are other types of cam buckles, different designs and sizes, but they all accomplish the same thing. So I have a small demonstration set up here on the back of my truck. In this case, we have a piece of cargo secured down. If we want to release the strap off the cargo, all we have to do is depress the cam buckle and pull up and away, and it releases the cargo control. It's one of the quickest, most efficient ways to secure cargo. When we want to tighten this cargo back down, we do not need to depress this and pull the strap through. Cam buckles are actually designed for you to grab the tag end or the loose end of the strap and just give it a firm tug. And you're secure. That's the efficiency of using a cam buckle. Thank you, and there will be additional educational videos to follow.